Good morning students. Welcome to online class. In our last class we have learned noun, pronoun. Today we will learn about the adjectives. In adjectives we learn some types are there. First of all we will go through the definition of adjectives. An adjective is a word or words used with nouns or pronouns to describe the quality, the quantity and number of nouns. Third type is adjective. An adjective is a word or words used with nouns or pronouns to describe the quality, quantity and number of nouns. We called as adjective. Adjectives are of four kinds. There are four types in adjectives. Adjectives are of four kinds. First one is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity and adjective of number, and also another last type is other adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, other adjectives. Now we will go through the detailed study of adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number and some more other adjectives are there. Now we will go through them. First one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality asks what kind of a noun it is. When we are asking of what kind of a noun it is, we get adjective of quality. Of what kind? Adjectives which describes the quantity, the quality of the nouns or pronouns Adjectives which describes the quality of the nouns or pronouns are called adjective of adjectives of quality. Now we will go through the examples of adjective of quality. Harish is a man. What kind of man is he? When we are asking what kind of a man he is, what kind of a man he is. Harish is a young man. Harish is a good man. Harish is a clever man. Clever, good, young, brave, nice. All these are adjective of quality. Young, clever, brave, nice, handsome, strong, all these are adjectives. Then man, it is noun. Before noun we get adjective. Harish is young man. Harish is, all these are adjective of quality. We are asking what kind of a man he is. Harish is clever man. Harish is brave man. Harish is nice man. Harish is handsome man. Harish is strong man. He is brilliant man. All these are examples of adjective of quality. Now we will go through the another example of adjective of quality. Savita is a beautiful girl. Beautiful, it is a quality, adjective of quality. Then girl, it is a noun. Good, beautiful, good, strong, fat, stylish. All these are qualities of a person. Savita is a beautiful girl. Is a noun. Before noun we use adjectives. Savita is a good girl. Savita is a strong girl. Then Savita is a fat girl. Savita is a stylish girl. All these are examples of adjective of quality. Now we will go to the some more examples of adjective of quality. This is a good book. Book, it Noun. A good book, a bad book, an interesting book, an extraordinary book. All these are adjectives. This is a good book. This is a bad book. This is an interesting book. This is an extraordinary book. Next we will go to some more examples of adjective of quality. This is a serious problem. Problem, it is a noun. A serious, it is adjective of quality. A difficult, a political, a global, an economical problem, an unsolvable problem. All these are adjectives. This is a serious problem. This is a difficult problem. This is a political problem. This is a global problem. This is an economic problem. This is an unsolvable problem. All these are examples of adjective of quality. Now we will go through the easy way to remember the order of the adjectives. Easy way to remember the order of adjectives. There is a one formula, it is OPH SHACOM. It is a formula to easy way to remember the order of adjectives. Now we will go through the explanation of full form of this formula. OPH means OP means opinion. Next, SH means shape. A means age. C, color. Then O, origin. Next, last one, M, material. When we are using adjectives, this is the easy way to remember this is the order of the adjectives. Now I will give one example based on this formula. This is a lovely little old brown British wooden table. Now we will use this formula. Here lovely, it is opinion, little, it is what shape it is. The material is what shape. Little, it is a shape. Old, it is age. Old, young, new. Then brown, it is color. British, origin, in which origin it comes. Wooden, it is material. Then table, it is noun. We are using the formula of the adjective. Next example is he brought a beautiful old glass bowl. Bowl, it is a noun. Glass, material. Old, it is telling the age. Beautiful, it is opinion. See here, OP first comes, next age, then material, at last noun. Before noun we are using the adjectives. This is a nice new cotton shirt. Shirt, it is noun. Cotton, it is material. New, age, nice, opinion. We don't tell this is a new nice cotton shirt. The usage is wrong. We use the formula of the adjectives. This is a nice new cotton shirt. It is the correct way of using the adjectives in a sentence. This is a pair of black leather shoes. Shoes, it is noun. Leather, it is material. Black, color. All these are examples of adjective of quality. Above rule should be followed while using adjectives in the sentence. Some examples of opinion. I will give you some examples of opinion, some examples of shape, color, materials and age. Some examples of opinion. A costly, it comes under the opinion. Costly, a nice, a beautiful, interesting, a clever, a brilliant, a brave. All these examples comes under the opinion. Now we will go through some examples of shape. Some examples of shape. A little, a small, a big, a fat. All these are examples of shape. Now we will go through some examples of age. A new, a old, a young, an ancient, a modern, all these are examples of age. Next, we will go through the examples of color. Some examples of color. As we all know about the name of colors, a red color, a blue, a white, a green, etc. Next, we will go through some examples of origin. Some examples of origin. And Indian, it comes under the origin. An Indian, a British, a Chinese, a Russian, an American. All these are examples of origin. Next, we will go through some examples of material. Some examples of material. A leather, it is a material. A glass, a plastic, a wooden, a cotton. All these are examples of material. Next, we will go through the next type of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. It asks how much. Second type is adjective of describes the quantity of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of quantity. Adjectives which describes the quantity of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of quantity. This is the definition of adjective of quantity. Now we will go through some examples of adjectives of quantity. Examples: get me a cup of